Set up your notebook so the pages look like those shown on the screen right now. We are going to look at multiples. What is a multiple? A multiple is the product of two factors. How is a multiple different from a factor? Well, factors are the numbers multiplied together to get a multiple. Factor times factor equals a product. A product is the same thing as a multiple. Multiples never stop. Find the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Multiples never end, so you cannot get them all. It is a good idea to try to list at least the first 5 multiples. Your turn. Find the multiples of these numbers. What are the multiples of 12? Well, to do that, you take 12 times 1, write the answer down. 12 times 2, write that answer down. 12 times 3, 12 times 4, and 12 times 5. That would give you the first 5 multiples of 12. Do the same thing for 22 and 24. Pause the video until you have your answers written down, and then check to make sure they are correct. Common multiples and least common multiples. Least means smallest or littlest. Common is alike or the same. A multiple is the product of two factors. Can you find a greatest common multiple? Think about the word greatest. If multiples never end, are you able to find the largest one that exists? No, you cannot find a greatest common multiple because multiples never end. Let's try 2 more. List out the multiples of 12 and 24. This should be easy because we already did this. Then look at the 2 lists. What is the smallest number that shows up in both lists? In this case, it's 24. So the least common multiple of 12 and 24 is 24. Now list out the multiples for 30 and the multiples of 45. A general rule is to list the first 5, and then if you still need to, keep listing after that. So when we compare both lists, 90 is our LCM, or least common multiple. Now go on and list the multiples for 8, 12, 7, and 9.